how are you all? Yes, I hope all of you are fine and doing good at your home. So in the last class, students, we learned about the paint, MS Paint, isn't it? So we learned about tools and how we can use the tools, what is the functions of the shape group, how we can color, what is the color difference, etc. So today we are going to learn something more about MS Paint. So for that we have to open MS Paint. So to open MS Paint, I told you the steps already. Again I am repeating the steps. First click on start button, then after scroll the options, the application list, then comes to Windows accessories, then again click on that, then after you can find the paint. Just click on it just below the notepad. When you're clicking it, it will take some times to open, then it comes. This is the paint window. Okay, here I already told you how to draw the shapes and how to color it by using different tools and the colors. So today we are going to learn how to draw a polygon. So what polygon means, the closed figure, okay, that having more than two sides. Let me give you the example. Suppose I take the line, these are the shapes, okay, different shapes are present. By using it we can draw the polygon. Also we can draw by using the pencil and brushes by using the free hand. There are also some ready-made polygons are present. You can see that these are the closed pictures. Every shapes are closed except some shaped. So this is a line and this is known as the curve. Okay, so we can also draw by using the line. We can draw the polygon by using the line. So the polygon shape in the shape group is used to draw the polygon in paint. Suppose I click on the circle and again I am going to dragging. So all of you know, in a paint we can draw by using the dragging itself. Look, when I click on it, is there any changes occurred? No, but when I am going to drag, then the circle will draw. I can change. Already I told you the using of the size you can change according your requirement, your wish. So this is the closed picture. Is it polygon? No, because it is circle. Okay, there is no sides are present. You cannot say it is a polygon. It is a closed figure, but it is not a polygon, because polygon means the sides. There are more than two sides. So if I draw a triangle, this is the 90-degree triangle. Is this the polygon? Yes, it is the polygon. Why? Because there are three sides. So in the polygon we can say it has more than how many sides? More than two sides. Suppose I draw like this. Is this a polygon? No, because it is not the closed picture. Okay, so if we color it, then the color will leak out from here. So just remember, polygon means the closed picture which has more than two lines. So you can see there are more than two lines. This is two lines, so it is not a polygon. This is circle, there is no line. It is also not a polygon. So if you draw the star, it is also a polygon. Why? Because there are so many sides are present. Understood? If you draw the call out, is this a polygon? No, it is a closed picture, but it is not a polygon. Why? Because there is no side. So just remember, the picture, the shape that has more than side, this is known as your polygon. Okay, so just make me the screen clear. To draw the polygon, first click on the polygon from the shape group. See, there are so many shapes are present. If you want more, there are so many shapes are present. If you want more, just click on the arrow. See, there are more shapes comes. So to draw, first draw a line. So to draw a line, first click, this is the line. Look, when I put the arrow on it, the mouse pointer, it is selected. Okay, then after click on the drawing area and press the left button of the mouse and do the dragging. Done. You can also arrange your line by pressing the side of the line. Okay, so my line is ready. Then after, click at different points to draw a line joining the previous point. Click at the first point to complete the polygon. So that means to complete the polygon, this is done. Is this the polygon? No, because there are only one line. So to draw a polygon, again we have to draw another line. Look, this is the two line picture. Is this a polygon? No. So just remember the definition, then only you can draw. There are more than two lines. Is this the polygon? No. Why? Because it is not closed picture. So the polygon must be more than two lines and it must be closed, so that we can call it as polygon. See, is this a polygon? No, but number of lines are more. Then after, just join each other's ending point so that you can draw the polygon. Then just draw here another line. So to make it correctly, just see the changes. To make it correctly, just see the changes. Done. Just erase the extra part of your picture. By clicking the eraser, you can erase the extra part of the picture. See, now this is the polygon because every side is closed. If I am going to color it, then there is no leakage of the color is going to happen. Let's see, is there any color leakage is occurred or not. To color it, we can select a brush, but in case of brush it will take more time to color. You can use the fill with color. So just click on fill with color and select any color to color your picture. Then I select the orange color. In color 1, you can see this is for the fill color. Already I told you this is the background color and also the outline color. If I click it, see there is no color leakage occurs. That means in the polygon shape, if you click on it, then nothing, the color will not going to leak. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to draw the polygon. So let's just tell you by using other pictures. This is the polygon that you can draw by yourself by using the line shape, but there are some ready-made shapes are present. These are the polygons, one polygon. Suppose I took the diamond and just let me select another color. Suppose I select the diamond and I select the black color one. When I draw it, this is perfect, yes or no? Also this picture, this shape, this polygon is also present here. You can draw like this. Okay, these are the ready-made shapes. You just do to drag. No, there is no need to join one line because this is already ready-made, already present in your shape group. So you just click it once and you just color it. Then after, select the fill with color and color according your requirement. Okay. Also you can draw a good picture by using the polygon. Just see, I am taking this shape, then draw it. Then after, select this rectangular shape and draw the door of the home and just select the circle. Okay, the house is ready. Now you can color it. Suppose I took the orange one. This is the house. This is the entrance. This is the window. Okay, you can draw it more according your wish. You can draw, there are more things for your house. So I hope all of you understood. So do practice at your home thoroughly, just to learn everything so that you can draw and understood it properly. Okay, so just stay at your home safely and do your studies properly. Thank you.